Long time we no kill a man. How circle them ends like the little man.
Hey, watch out now. Will you do me a favor, please? Leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Turn on all notifications so that when you drop fresh new content, you'll be the first to get it. So people, day one of Vybz Kartel court hearing is in the books. Yes man. And we have Sir Pretti replying because his name was brought up by SHAWN lawyer. I feel maybe having some influence on the jurors if there was ever to be a retrial. Also we have a no movement day. Taxi strike, all island people, yes man. Also we have TC and Pretti answering to backlash from fans after disaster Dolly Sundays in New York. Jamaican movie star Rainey Jr. responds to video of him going viral after being sexually assaulted. All the time I want to come back, so I'm going to stay tuned. And now that we got that all out of the way, hey, cue the intro.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing what you know! The world I forget the stats, you know. You know it's what you know, me, and it's Warlord, Skystar leader. Kaboom! What you know.
Today, the local taximen call for a No Movements Day to protest all of the unfair practices and pushback the government officials have been giving them. Since the protests were running since the morning time, as you can see, the road was stocked all the way up down in Strawtown, Jamaica. Every time a taximan comes by, everybody's gonna jump in, block them off, tell them to remove all their passengers and pull over to join the protest for everything that they've been dealing with lately.
Hey you, Mr. Andrew Holness, you need to fix things ASAP. Okay, you know, every time there's a no movement day, every time there's a strike, you know what I mean, on vehicles where for transport persons to and from, are we the people feel it, are we the 9 to 5 people feel it, you know what I mean, because we can't get to go to work. I was fortunately, yesterday to come out early and get a drive, go to work, but, you know what I mean, Andrew only, they need to fix things, as you may say, because I'm hearing that 20,000 people, 20,000 drivers, you see me, soon to be out of a job. You see me, I say, if 20,000 driver out of a job, say 20,000 driver, say each driver responds for 3 person, just put it at that. You see me, himself, him woman, and him pitney. 20 times 3, how much people? That's 60,000 people left unfed. You see me, I say, so, and they need to come up with a solution of to make it work between the drivers, you see me, I say, the driver, the boss, everybody. You see me, I say, Andrew will fix things. No, quick, fast. Now on to other news. Power series star Rainey Jr. made a post on his Instagram after a video of him getting sexually assaulted by a female went viral.
The job has more than $1 million. Y'all never worked, y'all never did nothing. Y'all literally have 5 minutes of max in here. Then y'all gotta get out, okay?
5 minutes? You know how much 5 minutes is?
Okay?
Yeah.
They've never worked. You gotta think. They've never worked a job, but they can play with us. Yo, anybody need water? Anybody need water? Now we go, bro.
No, paper towels for them.
Paper towel. Shut the fuck up.
Yes, one of people, so this is why I go on this happen live while the streamer, the very popular streamer, I should say, Tiles, you know what I mean, sister, came on set and was happy to see him. As you can see, she gave him a hug, you see me. And that wasn't the sister that actually sexually assaulted him. But the other sister now, she just pop up on the scene and instead that she shake him and she just grab the G rifle and start shake it. Yes, man. But you know, after that and the video was going viral, Rainey Jr. made a post to his Instagram. At this point, everyone has seen the video circulating online. I am still in shock and don't fully know how to process what happened last night. This is an unfortunate situation that I do not condone it in any way. I can't take it lightly because I know I would be in serious trouble if the roles were reversed. The fact is, sexual assault is never okay regardless of gender or status. We are all human and we should respect each other. Most important, we should always respect ourselves. So people, here we go on. Share your thoughts on that in the comment section and let me know what you think.
And the Dolly them can't get in because the place jump off.
You want my money?
What happened? What talk to it?
It's disorganized.
Some people in New York come keep party because we don't know about New York. We never ask about New York come keep party. When we keep stands, people climb blood clot fence. We want to come with this stuff. People can't fight to go into them blood clot.
So, massive chaos, you know, as you can see for yourself in the cars. Dolly them out. Every Dolly out. Every kind of Dolly. Yo, the Barbie them. The Chinese Dolly them. The American Dolly them. All kind of Dolly out.
One thing we don't know, we're going to feed everything. And when the girl them do good, they never post it yet. That's why they're going to push
Public street, me there.
No, go video them up there. So ask them why them so disorderly. Obviously, we carry the camera. I'm going to ask them obviously. I'm going to talk to security. We have to be doing it back.
Support, me come to support you, babes.
Yeah, you come to support me, but the camera there. So go to ask people why them so disorderly.
I will place me a video.
Yeah,
I start from up here, so go right
down. That's the drama.
The whole for Dolly and
Patrons that came out to party for Dolly Sundays in New York was disgruntled and very unhappy when they showed up and could not get into the party. Well, after this video made it over to Pink Wall, and after all of the bashing that the party goers was giving Pretti and also TC, they also made a video of their own. Check it out.
Can you see in life, you see some people, my mama tell you now. So last night, Dolly Sunday skip, right? Place pack, me I tell you now. New York, don't expect another Dolly Sundays.
Not one.
Not one. Because if you don't want Dolly Sundays, when you just find a way.
Jamaica.
A Jamaica, right inside of Mecca. Jamaica would never, as much as all people speak about Jamaica, me I tell you no, Jamaica people would never, no matter what about Jamaicans say. Jamaica, how me see the people and behave last night.
Horrible, like
horrible.
Like animal, bro.
Me never did Jamaica nobody behave so in forgot in a no party yet. Never.
The biggest party. You have line. You have nobody no one from the line. Nobody, no one.
Hey, hello. I'll know. We're not reaching at the party.
Yeah, we're not going to the party. I'll know. We're not reaching.
I'll know. We're not reaching at the dance. Yeah, Dolly side what we out the door.
Dolly side what? No.
Hold on. Me have to take bad things. Me work. Virgin, we literally outside and we'll go and we'll talk to the people them.
Because we want everybody to go.
Because we want everybody to just, you know, in an orderly fashion and just line and me dead. I say big man thing the people them spend them money for come party with you. I'ma tell them say me literally anybody where they dead out they know. I hear when I say I'm not going because the people them cannot go in. I really want the people them going for enjoy themselves. And the people them behave so
bad. Nobody no one from the line.
First of all, the people them they're the front at the barrier thing, and some of them don't have no ticket, and some people decide to them not pay go in. But nobody don't want to talk about that. Everybody want to come and trust us. Me, I'm a friend them. Cause remember, you know, when the Dolly them do good, and afraid for talk out on the mouth because when they never see say Florida go on good, and me never see the Pink Wall post and say Dolly Sundays was successful in a Florida, but as the bad, on a quick for post it. You see all who they buy ticket, pan ticket gateway, you can easily well go back on the website and request a refund. Simple as that.
Today we primarily dealt with preliminary issues as it relates to fresh evidence and the admissibility of some of the affidavits. Tomorrow we begin the substantive hearing on the matter.
Some of the information in some of the affidavits were struck out. Are you satisfied that the information that has been struck out is not in any way putting the appeal, the matter in jeopardy?
Yes, we are satisfied, and if it is that while we're making the submissions we should take issue with any of those, I'm certain that we will raise them at the appropriate time.
Were you in contact with Mr. Pam before the hearing started this morning?
Today?
Yes.
No, we did not have an opportunity to visit the lockups today, as court began at 9:30 and usual admittance to the correctional facilities will begin at 10 a.m.
What's his general state of mind as this hearing begins?
Prior to today?
Yes.
Last we spoke, all of the appellants are eager to have their matter dealt with so that the issue of their freedom can finally be determined. They're eager to return to society and to their families. So we are endeavoring to ensure that that is attainable.
As attorney, are you hopeful that this case will be successful?
Very hopeful. We have put in a lot of work and a lot of time in preparing for the matter, and we are endeavoring to put our best foot forward in representing the men and vindicating them.
So people, that was one of the attorneys on the defense team for Vybz Kartel and the other appellants. As you can hear, she says she's hoping that the judge rule in the DJ's favor. You know what I mean? So there will not be a retrial and them are going to just free up Vybz Kartel and them other 3 co-accused. So you know what I highlight also, Sean Sam's sister did an interview with the Jamaica Observer, which she stated that she has submitted whispered decisions about the murder case on popular YouTube programs like Politricks Watch will result in her brother and his co-accused not getting a fair trial. If a retrial is permitted, I have seen many social media posts from bloggers like Pretti who do not conform to any of the traditional norms of journalism, who have whispered viewership, who expose all the wildest theories which will undoubtedly influence many Jamaicans who cannot be counted on to be so entranced by the Bible, foisted up to confess their bias, she said in her affidavit. So watch out people, after Pretti heard, the narrative that was going around, he also made a video and explained that if the bloggers or the media personnel, as I mean, had so much influence on, Jamaica people, which eventually would have been some of the Jew them, as I mean, of them being biased to not giving Vybz Kartel a fair trial, as I mean, he was saying what happened to, the influencers them want to say free Vybz Kartel, what happened to the DJ them, as I mean, the big international star them like Drake them and, Busta Rhymes and everyone who keeps saying free Vybz Kartel. Won't the juror, as I mean, won't the people be biased also? As I mean, so I'm making hear what going still.
I told you this was the defense. Go watch the last video I drop on your favorite artist. I'm telling them the angle with him come with. It is going to be health or him sick. It's going to be from how him done do what 10 years already. And all the case are popular as, the jury and the fair trial. I'm telling you that. I also debunked it in the same video. Think about this. The argument that people are saying, look, YouTube are saying guilty, so you take the jury. By that same argument, the many celebrities who are saying innocent would also take the jury. Think about it. The many artists and influencers and bloggers who way outnumber. Right, look at YouTuber. But we talk about actual artists as a free barber saying innocent. That don't take the jury. Tell us we don't even have to argue about this. Just make the trial a judge only. Surely they're not saying that the learned judge is relying on YouTube just to make decisions. Once again, they're trying to use a narrative, a false narrative. Sheep guy, if public opinion mattered in court, Patrick Powell would be in prison right now. Sheep guy. 10,000 sheep can't change a light bulb. It don't matter how much of them, right, group up. They cannot change a light bulb. It is not within the ability, right, of any amount of sheep to change light bulb. They can only make noise. If public opinion mattered in court and swayed jury make decision, Patrick Powell would be guilty right now. He would be in prison right now. That is a false narrative. In the Patrick Powell case, even the mainstream media went with the narrative. There were even songs made about it by people who are far bigger and far more international than a little YouTuber. Have you forgotten? Public opinion don't convict nobody and swear no jury, no court. Both of them in the prison. The whole of the clansman them who bust the case would still be in prison. Let me repeat, if the little YouTuber, right, words mattered in court, all of the clansman them, the same termite dead with you, they're still in a prison. All of them make videos on them, documentaries on them, detailing them crimes. It don't mean nothing in a court. Witness have to go and evidence have to solid. That is a false narrative. What they're hoping for is that enough sheep repeat it and people accept it. But the people who accept something like that, we already know is sheep nation. So it's not a loss. It's not like a people who have sense are go follow this. No. People who we already see no sense. So they're basically preaching to the choir. Again, if public opinion mattered in court, Patrick Powell would be found guilty. Just think about it, no? How many artists, celebrities, international and local, you see as a free Barabbas him innocent? Why them now say that is going to sway the jury if you say not guilty? It would have to work both ways.
So that's my people, you hear what going on, you hear a therapy have to say, you get to me and say, just like how them claim say, you know, the media, the bloggers have influence of not giving Vybz Kartel a fair trial. It goes both ways. You see me and say, all of the influencers them, the big names them like Popcorn, the big artists them, the international star them like Drake. You see me and say Nicki Minaj, Busta Rhymes, where I say free Vybz Kartel. That can also have, you know what I mean? That can also sway the jurors. So people, let me know what you think in the comment section. When you think therapy have a point, or when you believe Sean Storm's sister kind of have a point also of Vybz Kartel not getting a fair trial. Comment down below and let me know what you think, you know what I mean? But like always, like, comment, share the notification bell for further updates and videos. Banging, watch you now.